Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have a target element in the DOM, so start by selecting it with Document. Query Selector or Get Element by ID. Once selected, choose the event type you need, like click or input, and define a concise handler function that performs the action. Then call Addeventlistener on the element with the event name, the handler reference, and an options object if necessary. Make sure the code runs after the element exists. Place it after DOM load or inside a DOM content loaded listener. Once the listener is attached, focus on a handler that handles different states reliably. Use a named function so you can remove it later with Remove Event Listener. Within the handler, read event, target, and event. Current target to know origin and context, and call event. Prevent default when you want to stop default browser behavior. Also pass options to add event listener, once to auto-remove, capture to control phase, or passive for scroll performance, so your listener behaves predictably under real-world interactions. To finish, ensure cleanup and reliability. Remove event listener requires the same function reference you added, so use named functions or store the handler. If elements are dynamic, prefer event delegation on a stable parent to capture events from children. When things go wrong, inspect timing and binding, confirm the element exists and the script runs after DOM ready, add console. Log inside the handler to see if it fires. If an event seems ignored, check prevent default or stop propagation from other handlers that may block it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.